Paxton, are you working on a project? What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Oh, Paxton. Hey. You want another bite of sweet potato? Yum. Mmm. Mmm. Paxton. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Paxton. Say bye-bye. All right, I'll accept that.